Hi everyone, I'm Yoshi. This summer, I joined the Brown-Smith IRES program to investigate the human effects on annual tropical toad breeding events. Today, I'll be showing you what my day-to-day work looks like. Here we go! We stay in the village called Yellowpore. Our day starts with this nice Indian breakfast, idli. Then we take an hour ride along this bumpy, sinuous road to the site where we meet our local collaborators. At the site, we select 10 different local sample locations where the breeding events are historically present or absent. At each location, we collect essential environmental data like water conductivity, temperature, UV index, and water quality measurements such as pH and amount of nitrate. During our stay, we were fortunate to witness a breeding event. Of course, we sampled data from this location too. Here's a mating couple. Males exhibit a beautiful bright yellow color morph during breeding. Combining the results from the other supplementary projects in Vienna Zoo, Austria, I'm excited to produce some meaningful results.
Hi, I'm Serena. For my fellowship this summer, I studied Arctic marginal ice zone eddies, where packed ice transitions to open ocean, rotating structures of high vorticity, called eddies, can be found. My project improves a computational method of taking sea ice drift vectors from satellite images to identify eddies. An algorithm takes in two overlapping satellite images and finds matching features. Velocity vectors are then retrieved, showing the movement of ice and ice flows. We identify eddy signatures from distinct areas of rotating velocities. My day-to-day involves looking at images, analyzing data, working on scripts, and meeting with my advisors, two postdocs in the fields of remote sensing and fluid dynamics. Eddy dynamics are changing as the climate changes. It's very important to develop ways to track this environmental change, which I have had the opportunity to do this summer. Thanks for watching!
Hey guys, my name is Kevin Carter, and I'm going to talk about my IBES summer internship with the Nature Conservancy Climate and Government Relations team. During this internship, I was able to do research, act as a scribe for the Municipal Resilience Program workshops, and work with tree planting data. The majority of my time was spent on climate justice research and data work, so I'll focus on these topics for this video. My climate justice research consisted of compiling a list of actions and policies that should be included in a climate justice policy package passed at the state level in Rhode Island. This list was curated based on the actions that have been taken in the state so far and policies that have been passed in other states. On the other hand, my data work consisted of cleaning and aggregating tree planting data collected by the Providence Neighborhood Planning Program so that it can later be mapped in GIS and further inform their legacy of engaging with tree inequity in Providence. Overall, this was a great experience that truly catered to my interests, and I'm thankful to IBES and the TNC Climate and GR team for making this possible.
Hi, I'm Quinn.
And I'm Hannah.
And we're the Nature Conservancy Coastal Restoration interns.
Here's what we did this summer.
Here we are surveying the juvenile fish population in the Providence River estuary.
Here's Quinn setting the seine net.
Here's Hannah setting a fish trap for our adult survey, and I'm setting an eel pot to collect smaller fish.
Here's Quinn collecting water quality data like salinity, temperature, and dissolved oxygen.
We measure and count all the species we catch to assess the health of the estuary.
Here we are checking the sexual maturity of this blue crab.
And here's my first horseshoe crab.
The baby pufferfish were super cute this summer. Look at this little guy.
Here's the fish I studied this summer.
We saw species like the short big guy and the lady crab visiting the Block Island team.
Here Hannah and I are holding the first diamondback terrapin we caught this summer.
We had an amazing summer and want to thank everyone on the TNC Coastal team for everything they taught us.
Just swimming at the bottom of the ocean.